Whoa! Over here. Come on, sweetie. Come play on the rock. Come on. Oh, be careful, Willow. Uh-oh, here comes everybody. Spoiling the kids' play area. Be careful, Tina. Wow. Isn't that pretty, Clara? My goodness, you guys are going squirrely on this rock. You be careful, Belle. Last thing I want is her falling. Hi, Petal. Would you like me to get that for you? Okay. Ugh. There you go. Okay, I might get mobbed here. If I do, the video will quit. Oh! You naughty goat! Do not jump on Mommy. You're naughty. Look at that, you ruined it for everybody. Thank Petal, everybody. Hi, Clara. Alright, where is everyone? Oh, nice. Shannon, these are your two boys. Cletus just had his way with Leroy. You get him, Leroy. You tell him that was rude. Oh! Ouch! Little tank, that one. Hi, Moon. Okay, you watch out, Cletus. Leroy's got his mama now. There are my bottle kids over there. buddy. And this guy, he's going on 3 weeks. He's one of quad Nigerian dwarf. And those are one of his brother and sister. And he has another brother somewhere too. Hi, girl. Hi. Oh, that pesky fly, eh? Hi. You're so cute. I can't get a good shot of you. Sweetie. Come here. Not many people know what you look like. Oh, there's her sister. And my brown bottle girl. And my little buddy is zooming around there. Hello. Hello, what are you chewing? Hey, what are you chewing? You're lucky I catch you. You're so lucky I catch you. You'd be falling a lot. There's Cindy and Bella.